6 in the morning and it is so humid. At least there's a nice breeze. Just waiting for the bus to take us to Miami. Still waiting for the bus that hasn't shown up. About 15 minutes late. There's a few other people waiting, so we'll see. So whenever the bus arrived, I could like leave immediately. So we left with about a 17-minute delay. We got a little breakfast, and I see we're on the way for our next stop. It's pretty cute that we got a breakfast. Apple juice, a granola bar, and mini croissants. I got this one.
Chocolate chip. I got peanut butter chocolate chip.
What do you prefer?
Either. What do you prefer?
Yeah, probably this one.
The one you have?
Yeah, I'm happy with it. Oh, fruit punch. What do you prefer?
I prefer fruit punch.
Alright then.
Thank you.
Just stopped at the Wheeler Icon Park. Madame Dussault is here. Pretty sure actually. Have made it to Miami. We're at Bayside Marketplace right now, and the boarding for our boat starts in 15 minutes. Made it on the boat. Very hot.
El tour aquí en la Florida. Alright guys, let's get started. Vamos a empezar. Alright guys, let's get started. Vamos a empezar aquí a la izquierda. On your left, around a white building. Un edificio redondo blanco. Guys, that's the FTX Stadium in the Estadio
Miami Heat. Long way to back after 50 minutes.
Muy rápido y muy furiosos dos, cuando Paul Walker se fue de un lugar del puente para el otro. noche. He's not in town. He's not in the area. But if you guys want, you could rent out his mansion for just $8,000 a night. Mi familia Jackie no está por la zona, afortunadamente, pero si ustedes quieren, ustedes sí pueden. Alright guys, the next mansion, la próxima mansión, on your right back to Hibiscus, sale a la derecha, la isla de Hibiscus, 2 jet skis, 2 stories, cream colored mansion.
That's a Disney Cruise Line right there. See?
Guys, check out that beautiful water feature. We call that Viagra Falls. El monumento de agua en la misma cascada de Viagra. On your right, aquí a la derecha, Dr. Philip Frost, el Dr. Felipe Frost, el Doctor de Dr. Viagra. Now right next door, guys, la próxima mansión, the next mansion. Guys, this property used to belong to Frank Sinatra, now owned by Nancy Sinatra, his daughter. La propiedad de Nancy Sinatra, su hija. You might remember this property though from a few TV shows. Parece que se recuerdan también de los programas de televisiones. Burn Notice, CSI Miami, Dexter, just a few of many, solo unos de unos cuantos. He vendido la propiedad a Naomi Campbell, la supermodela de Londres. My new girlfriend, mi nueva novia. The mansion of the Rihanna. We love you, Riri. Sería la próxima mansión, La Mancha. It's called Villa Luna. Se llama las películas y programas de televisiones. You guys might remember this property from Bad Boys 2 when they dressed up as exterminators. Parece que se recuerda la mansión de los chicos malos 2 cuando se vistieron como demoledores. Remember the rap problem?
There's a lot of planes that will take the last couple of minutes.
Guys, thank you so much for coming up with me.
Oh, he's gone. There was a little shark right there. Oh, but that's just a big fish. That was
Guys, thank you so much.
yeah.
Muchas gracias.
All right, let's go to the Everglades. Okay, there she is, Junior. So iguanas just roam around Miami like that. Like, look at that. Look at the little guys. There's two of them, see? Okay, so we're waiting for a private van to take us to the Everglades because we got put on a separate bus, but then the bus was full, so now our group is waiting for a van for 7 people. Is that a van? I hope not. So it's a bit of a mess, but we'll get there. Still waiting for the van to take us to the Everglades. No updates yet. We have to wait an hour, but we got a private van. Well, not private, but